In this video, I'll show you how to get the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. Important: LG Smart TVs use WebOS, which doesn't officially support Google Play Store like Android TVs. But don't worry, I'll show you the best options to get Android apps on your LG TV. Option 1. Use an Android TV box or stick. Buy an Android TV box or stick, like Chromecast with Google TV or NVIDIA Shield. Plug it into your LG TV's HDMI port. Now you have full access to the Google Play Store and thousands of Android apps. Option 2. Screen mirroring from your phone. Use screen mirroring or casting from your Android phone or tablet. Make sure your phone and LG TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Open the app you want on your phone and cast it to your TV. Option 3. Use third-party app stores. Some LG Smart TVs support installing APKs via USB, but it's limited and risky. Use trusted third-party app stores or sideload apps cautiously. What you can't do: you cannot install Google Play Store directly on WebOS. WebOS uses its own LG content store with apps optimized for the system. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.